Everyone wants shortcuts these days, even students facing tough time managing their studies, quiz, exams, assignments, and they want some real shortcut. I am going to teach some real tricks through which you can easily ace your semester. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you tricks to cheat on an online exam, and after watching this video, you could cheat on any proctored exam. There are different kinds of proctored software that are being used by different institutions. These proctored softwares include honorlock, responduslockdownbrowserbypass, PSI Secure Browser, Proctorio, proctorio, Examity, Wonderlic, and Pearson VUE. These softwares use both AI and humans to monitor your activity during the exam. So all your activity is recorded by screen sharing, and in some softwares, human proctors monitor the activities, and in some software, this is done with help of both human proctors and AI. So if a human proctor or AI detect any suspicious activity, they just flag the activity that is later on checked by your professor. Now let's jump back to our main topic, how to cheat on online proctored exams. There are two ways to cheat on proctored exams. 1. Traditional methods that are old and simple but risky, which include using phone during your proctored exam, using ChatGPT during proctored exam, or making tiny notes to cheat your proctored exam. 2. Second method is known as technical expert bypass method. In this method, you will need a technical expert by exam archer who will install a setup in your device like your laptop or MacBook, and with help of that, he will connect remotely to your device to take your exam on your behalf. They have such softwares that can't be detected by proctored softwares. So these technical experts by exam archer can bypass almost all proctored softwares, and if you are curious how it works, you can contact them by clicking the link in the description.